Hi. So it has been quite a minute since I've done a video like this, and you guys have been asking about it, and I'm finally here. Another what's in my bag video, and this is like the big purse dumping kind, which I know you guys love for some reason. Now, it's been a long time since I've done one. That's because my life has been in shambles, and if you guys want a Q&A or a life update or something like that, let me know and I'll see what I can do, because a lot has changed. If you notice from what my background usually looks like in these types of videos, I'm in a very new location and I've got a new bed. Look at it. Is that not freaking cute? And yeah, there's a lot going on, but I still have the same big purse from the last video to dump out. And I have a new purse from TJ Maxx that we're going to fill. I will say, I've been using a small purse for a very long time recently. That's been my go-to. I will do a small purse what's in my bag next for the next little what's in my bag video. But today we are emptying out Ziggy. You remember her name, Ziggy. And she's still beautiful. Love the color. I love green. Love it. But yeah, we're gonna dump her out, and we're gonna dump her out on the bed. So we're not gonna have some really loud noise that you guys probably like, but like crashing on the floor. I just don't have a good spot on a floor to do so. So we're gonna dump her out on the bed. Hope that's okay with you all, but let's just get into it. Hold on, I'm thirsty though. Look at this. Don't know if you've ever had the Mountain Dew from Taco Bell, the Baja Blast, but they have it in a sugar-free kind, and that's what Mama's got today. But come on, let's get some soda in our system because it's so good for you. Okay, I hope you will be able to see everything and hear me, but I'm gonna be way back here and we're gonna dump here. Are we ready? It has been months since I've done this. Months. So I might be a little rusty. Okay, without further ado, let's dump. One. Ugh. I hate the noise. Oh my gosh. This is nasty. It's not gonna be good. That's one problem with having a bunch of zippers in your purse. When you want to dump it out like this, it's not so easy. Is that everything? Ah, I believe so. We're empty. Okay, bye-bye, Zicky. Another time. We are going to go through all of this and make piles. We're going to have trash I'm going to just stick over here, keep in the bag over here, and then put over here the stuff we're going to keep, just not in the new bag. Let's go. Keep, not keep. This is disgusting. This, I don't know if you can tell what it is an old clementine with a pumpkin face drawn on it. That's how old this is. October. It's disgusting. Ah, all done. Okay, keeping in the bag, not keeping, and trash. Not too bad, not too bad. Okay, let me move all this stuff out the way and we'll show you my new bag. Okay, so now let's introduce you to the new bag, which is this beautiful black and gold bag here that I got from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, one of those, and I just love it. It is from the brand, oh, you don't want to tell me. If I come across the brand name, I'll let you know, but she's beautiful. So if anyone knows me, you know I love black, gold, green, those kind of things. This has two of the three, so we know it's just mwah. All right, so there's the zipper, which we love a good zipper on a big bag, because on a bag in general, we need a zipper because bags fall over and tip over, and also just people seeing in, I don't know, I like a zipper. It's really good added security. So of course we've got the zipper, and then inside we've got trash. Oh my, what's happening? Ah, I need scissors. Wonderful. It came with this little wallet bag. Like, you can take this out and it can be its own thing, but it also is a wallet, which we love. It has a little zipper pouch for your coins and stuff like that. It's really soft, like buttery pleather kind of thing. So it's like a 2-in-1. So inside, just this big open compartment with a open pouch on one side and a zipper pouch on the other. And a little zipper pouch on the back. Now let's fill this stuff up. Okay, first item I'm going to mention is this little pouch. It's just an old Ipsy bag. You can use any pouch you want and it keeps the feminine products in place. So that's what this is. Next, I'm going to show you this, which is a glasses container. But the reason why it's so big is because it has 2 compartments. One holds your glasses, obviously, and the other holds your contacts and contact solution and all that good stuff if you so need. So I think that's really cool. This has been in so many of my videos. It is a pill container, self-explanatory, but I love it. And this is one of the things that I know you guys love. And it has all these different compartments to put all of your pills, and I think it's super necessary rather than a bunch of different like pill bottles or little bags with pills. Just keeping them all in one spot and safe, must have. Next, this is just me being diabetic, is a blood sugar tester case with the stuff in it. So I have the blood sugar monitor on my arm, but this is a backup in case that fails, you know. My JBL earbuds, I mean, self-explanatory. If you're looking for earbuds and you're not using Apple or something, I do highly recommend JBL. Great sound, noise cancellation, all that good stuff, and they're comfy. This is a summer essential if you live anywhere where there's heat. It is a little portable fan. So here you can click all the buttons. In this South Carolina heat, this is very necessary. And it's in this cute little, it's like perfume or something. Must have. Next, we have my classic nail kit. Just good to have in case something happens. If you break a nail, you need to cut it right or file it or something like that, which does happen. And if you break it, you don't want it to break worse or it's sharp. You know, it's just good to have. And this is a really nice little compact, heavy duty enough at least. Like, I really like it. And I think the pieces are like a good weight and it's just good quality. So must have. Next, I have this little Bible tract. And it's just basically this little pamphlet thing that explains the Bible story. You never know who you might want to give that to. I like to keep a little Sudoku on me if I'm somewhere and want to do something to occupy my time, but don't want to use my phone. Either my phone's dying or, you know, no internet, that kind of stuff. Sudokus are fun, so I have that and a pencil here. Keep 2 masks with me, one for me and a friend if need be. Not many places or situations that this is like must have now, but they don't take up hardly any room, so I still just keep these with me just in case. Next, I like to keep little Splenda packets on me, being diabetic. I don't usually have drinks with real sugar in them, so if I'm like at a restaurant or somewhere and I have tea and I want to sweeten it with my stuff, I've got it with me. Next, just a little Bandaid. You never know when you might need it. Next, I keep this little thing of Tums. Now, the reason I don't have this in my pill container is because the Tums I like to take don't fit in it. So I keep this special. It's come in handy. I need to refill it actually. This little purse light here. This is amazing. So it just looks kind of weird, but I don't know if you can tell, the way it lights up is really handy to have in your purse, especially when you have a big purse and you're looking for something. A purse just becomes a black hole. And so having a purse light to help light it up. So here's before, and there it is with the purse light. You just stick it down the center and it lights up your bag for you. It's really nice. And this is a cool thing to have with you if you need it just to keep in your car if it's nighttime and you're looking for something, say like in the floorboard or whatever. This is really handy light. Keep it on you when you're walking at night. It's really nice and it's really bright for the size. So highly recommend for many different situations. Next are these little bags here. I haven't opened this one yet, but it's called Fab Little Bag. And it is a like recycled, made from plants bag to store your feminine products when you're out on the go. So let me show you what they look like. You get a bunch of them in this pack. And for one, here's what it looks like. You stick your fingers through these little holes like this. You spread it, you stick your product inside, and then there's a peel and seal opening, and you seal it when you're done, and then you can dispose of it in a sanitary sense. And so this is really amazing. I love these, and if you are interested, I will leave them linked down in the description, but must have big time. Next little thing I like to keep on me is this nail cuticle oil, and it just helps keep the nail cuticles moisturized and healthy. So I like this. Next, I keep a little tape measure with me. You just never know. And, you know, sometimes you might need it. I don't know. It's weird, but I keep it, so. Next, this is a product that I love, and it might not look like much of anything right now, but it's a purse hook. So if you are out in public somewhere, at a restaurant, you're going to a bathroom, whatever, and you need a place to hang the purse, you've got this. It's really compact and just fits in the purse like it's nothing. But then you hang it like so, and it holds a decent amount of weight. And so with this part, you can hang it on a table at a restaurant to keep it out of your way. And so it's not like on the back of your chair either for other people to bump into or for someone to swipe it from you. And you can also use this hook to hang it in a stall in a bathroom. Like if they don't have hooks or something like that, you can hang it on the door. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Big must have. Next, I keep a pen, self-explanatory, chapstick, Listerine breath spray, self-explanatory, eye drops, this biotin nail polish stuff. It's clear. It can be like a base coat for doing your nails or just use it on its own. It really helps to strengthen your nails, and honestly, other than like when you actually have it on, just in general using it a lot, it has strengthened my nails. My mom as well, she's used it. It's just a really good polish to have rather than just normal clear polish. This is actually helpful and beneficial to your nails, and it works. Truly does make them stronger. So I like keeping this on hand. Next, this is a little travel sized perfume bottle. You fill it up with your own perfume. You're on the bottom, you like tss, and then you have this little travel sized perfume spray. And it's nice because then you don't have to buy the stuff specifically with the perfume. So like it's more expensive to do that way, to buy the perfume pre-done. But you can just buy these bottles. They're really cheap from Amazon and put your own stuff in it. It's nice. I like it. Hand sanitizer. Floss. This is some cool charcoal floss that I got off of Amazon. Floss is really handy to have with you at all times. This, I really like to keep a travel size deodorant stick with me, mainly during the summer, because during the winter, I haven't really noticed that I ever need it. But during the summer, on those hot days, it's just nice to have a little refresh sometimes, you know? Then this stuff is hair gel that I've talked about in like all of my videos. It comes in this little mascara looking dispenser, or whatever you want to call it. And it's just really good to help tame those flyaways, especially when you have an updo and the hair just likes to... This is really handy. I use a lot of it. I mean, it's low. Next, my keys. Then I keep this little weapon with me. Cannot be too careful. And then the next little thing I keep on me. This is last but not least. It's this Birdie personal alarm. I keep this on the outside of my purses, and it's a thing where if you feel threatened or in danger or whatever, you pull it, it screams, it has this light flashing, really good just safety feature. Like it's not gonna hurt anybody, but it's gonna call attention and scare people off if someone's trying to like get at you. So this is really good. It's great for anybody, even children, because it's not like a difficult thing to do. So I really recommend this for anybody. Even children can use it, and I've heard good things about parents giving this to their children. So for anybody, I recommend this personal alarm. Okay, so there we have it. That is what I keep in my big purse. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found this helpful, useful, entertaining, anything like that. And if so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Really helps support my channel and shows me the kind of stuff that you like to see. So again, if you want a life update video, a Q&A video, something like that, let me know down in the comments. I'd be happy to help. But that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.